In a historic turn of events, Donald Trump becomes the first U.S. president to be convicted of a felony, yet walks away without punishment. On January 10, 2025, in a Manhattan courtroom, Judge Juan M. Merchan delivered a sentence that would reshape American political history. Trump, appearing virtually from his Mar-a-Lago estate, faced 34 felony counts for falsifying business records in a hush money scheme involving adult film star Stormy Daniels. The case, which began as a $130,000 payment in 2016, evolved into a legal battle that tested the boundaries of presidential immunity and criminal justice. Despite prosecutors' evidence showing Trump orchestrated payments through his former attorney Michael Cohen to silence Daniels about an alleged affair, the president-elect maintained his innocence. The judge's decision for an unconditional discharge acknowledged the unique constitutional challenges of sentencing a president-elect. Trump's defense team, led by Todd Blanche, argued successfully that presidential immunity should be considered, citing a recent Supreme Court decision that granted former presidents substantial protection. The Manhattan District Attorney's Office, under Democrat Alvin Bragg, supported the no-penalty sentence while criticizing Trump's persistent attacks on the legal system. This case, the first of Trump's 4 criminal indictments to reach trial, may be the only one to see a courtroom. The federal prosecutions by special counsel Jack Smith over classified documents and election interference have been suspended, while the Georgia election case faces uncertainty after prosecutor Fani Willis's removal. Throughout the proceedings, Trump remained defiant, calling it a political witch hunt designed to damage his election chances. The jury's guilty verdict on all counts didn't deter voters, who chose him for a second term. The sentencing hearing lasted just 30 minutes, with Trump making a 6-minute statement denouncing the case as weaponization of government and an embarrassment to New York. As Judge Merchan wished him Godspeed in his second term, Trump sat stoically, his legacy now including the distinction of being the first president to take office with a felony conviction. Outside the courthouse, supporters and critics gathered with opposing banners, reflecting the nation's deep political divide. The case's conclusion marks a significant moment in American judicial history, where a former president faced criminal charges yet emerged politically unscathed, ready to return to the White House. Trump's immediate focus turned to planning his administration, scheduling meetings with conservative House Republicans to discuss GOP priorities, even as his legal team prepared to appeal the conviction. This unprecedented case has set new precedents in American politics and law, challenging traditional notions of presidential accountability and immunity, while demonstrating the resilience of political support in the face of criminal conviction.